to insert a photo into notes apps, first of all go to your notes. You can see I already add a photo into my notes apps. So how I add that? Open any notes, press on this icon, test. I'm selecting a text like that, then scroll down, then press and hold, then here you can see the icon, then press on attach file. Now which image you want to attach, for example this one, then it's easily add to your notes apps. Now if you go back, then you can see it's saved. Now if you want to add any image as a notes, just press and hold, then press on share, then press on notes. Now what you want to add, for example new notes, choose notes or folder. Now I want to add quick notes, create new notes and press on save. Now if you go back to your notes, then go back, then go to quick notes, then you can see it's add as a notes. That's it. Thank you. Don't forget to thumbs up and have a good day.